Question number 12, the Honourable Rick Marker.
Mr Speaker, my question is to the Minister of Veterans Affairs and asks, when can veterans expect a full response from the Government in response to the Law Commission report titled A New Support Scheme for Veterans, a report on the review of the War Pensions Act 1954 that was presented to Parliament on the 1st of June 2010?
The Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr Speaker, when it is ready, and for the members' information, it took 3 years for the Law Commission to present its report with 170 recommendations. It did not provide draft legislation and it did not provide costings. It could not even tell us how many veterans there are in the community. But as the Law Commission noted, it's proposed significant changes and it would not be possible to implement the proposed changes quickly.
Mr Speaker, supplementary.
The Honourable Rick Marker.
Mr Speaker, does the Minister disagree with the contention of the Law Commission that in instances a veteran has less support by way of the War Pensions Act than a comparable ordinary citizen who is supported by ACC? And how can this disadvantage to the veteran be justified? And when is the Minister going to put right this injustice by implementing the provisions of the Law Commission report?
The Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr Speaker, the member is quite right. The situation is unfair, and we are aware that 39 veterans, if we were able to proceed with the Law Commission's report, 39 veterans were transferred to the Veterans' Weekly Income Compensation. However, I note that this anomaly is not new, and the previous government was in a situation that they could rectify it, and is certainly one of the recommendations that we are taking very seriously.
Mr Speaker,
Honourable Rick Marker.
Supplementary question. Does the Minister agree with the Law Commission on the establishment of an expert panel to develop prescriptive decision-making processes and guidance? And if so, why has the Minister disbanded the expert panel this year? And how does this demonstrate good faith to the veteran community? And if the Minister disagrees with having an expert panel, why?
The Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr Speaker, because I'm about to, one of the proposals is that I actually put forward another expert panel which will be able to assist us in a much greater way. Fact is that this government brought in the expert panel. The previous government promised it, we brought it in, and it has now fulfilled its requirements, and we wish to have another one which will better meet the efforts of the needs of veterans. But after 9 long years of the Labor government, I think we've made a lot of progress.
Supplementary question, Mr Speaker.
I don't.
Mr Speaker, is it correct that the delay in responding to the Law Commission report on the review of the War Pensions Act is because of the cost to the Crown, which in reality means a financial loss to the veteran community? And how can this be justified as being fair to veterans?
The Honourable Judith Collins.
No.
That brings us to questions to members, and question 1 stands in the name of Claire Curran.